Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to change the speedometer on the BMW R1150RT. This will also apply to the R1100 and the R850RT. This task might seem daunting at first, but it's quite manageable with some patience and the right tools. Without further ado, let's get right into it. If you have already watched some other videos on this channel, you might have noticed the dysfunctional speedometer. I fixed it with installing a tablet on the dashboard to be able to read the GPS speed. More about how to install the tablet in the link in the right upper corner. Anyway, I still want to fix the original speedometer. In a few steps I will show you how to replace it. First of all, you will need a replacement unit. I bought this complete second-hand instrument panel on the internet. It has around the same mileage on it as the original one. Also consider renewing the speedo cable. The speedo is a bit dirty, so I give it a good clean after removing it from the panel. Now it's time to switch over to the bike. To get access to the instrument panel, start with removing the windscreen. Use an Allen key to unscrew the bolts, holding the windscreen in place. Be careful to keep all your screws and bolts organized. You don't want to lose any. With the windshield off, next up is removing the tablet mount and all the bolts holding the black top cover. To be able to remove the cover, put the windscreen mount in the highest position. Remove both of the mirrors. Remove the instrument panel cover by removing the 3 Allen key bolts on each side of the motorcycle. The same on the right side. Now gently remove the cover and disconnect the fog light switch on the left hand side. We leave the cover hanging on the right side of the bike without removing any other cables. With the cover out of the way, we remove 4 bolts on each corner of the panel. This way we will have access to the back of the speedometer. Unscrew the speedometer cable. And now you should be able to remove the instrument panel. Because this bike has an alarm installed, for me it's not possible to remove it. But hopefully this will give me enough room to remove the instrument. After removing the reset cable, the unit is held by 2 10mm bolts. And 2 screws here on the side. Now the speedometer can be taken out of the panel. Carefully pull out the lights out of the unit. And there we have it. All that's left now is to place the new speedometer and reassemble everything. Reassembly is reversal of the disassembly, so simply reverse the process. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the speedometer on your BMW R1150RT. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow riders, and don't forget to subscribe for more motorcycle maintenance tips and tricks. Ride safe, and I'll see you in the next video.